If you want someone to be like legit obsessed with you, there are a few things that science tells us that you can do right now. As a relationship expert, I've spent my life studying the art of attraction, and I've seen a lot of examples of people trying these things out, and they work. First thing you're gonna do is just remember that rejection breeds obsession. Have you ever noticed that when a guy pulls away from you, it doesn't make you like him any less? Like, in fact, it makes you like him more. It makes you wonder what happened, draws you to him. So if you want someone to have that like little obsession feeling start up within them, you need to find little ways to reject them, like not responding to a text out of the blue. Next way to make someone obsess is actually evil. It's by mixing pleasure with pain. Studies show that when the same person creates both pleasure and pain to us, it creates a psychological attachment to that person and creates that like obsessed feeling. So you want to make sure that you're alternating between giving them lots of positive attention and then just totally pulling that attention away. See, I told you guys this was really toxic, but it works. If you end up in a situation where somebody like isn't giving you the respect you deserve, to make them obsessed, you need to be willing to just get up and walk away. Being willing to just walk away like it's nothing makes you obsess worthy, and most guys are not used to girls who have the confidence and inner strength to do this. So if you're not being treated like a princess, bye! And watch him come running towards you. Finally, guys, if you want someone to be obsessed with you, you need to be obsessed with yourself. I don't mean faking it. I mean understanding and truly knowing that you are magical, because when you feel that shit, when you feel like your best self, other people are programmed to believe what they see. So if you want someone to be obsessed with you, it has to start here. You need to be obsessed with what makes you, you. And